Hey, it's the White Cliff Jr. here with Cliff's Construction, and boy, is it cold outside, but luckily we don't have to work outside. We're just kind of moving in and out. Got a special one for you today. We just started our client's master bathroom remodel, y'all, and so we're gonna show you that. I kind of just want to show you how we kind of prepare for a master bathroom remodel, especially when we have to come through some of your more intimate spaces. You know, we take a little bit more care in preparing that space. And so they have carpet in their master bedroom. And so what we've done is put down plastic runners across the areas that we'll be trafficking through. But then also every day we also set up plastic containment as well, because they want to stay in their bedroom. They don't want to go to their guest bedroom. They want to stay in the master. And so we put down protection every morning to make sure that gets covered up, and they can just, we pull it off at the end of the day and make sure everything's kind of ready for them to use it again the next day. So without any further ado, let's go check out this master bathroom. All right, so we keep the doors shut just to kind of keep the excess dust from flowing out into the master bedroom. But additionally, another protection that we have is the air scrubber. We have a HEPA air filter kind of scrubbing the air. What the air scrubber does is it pulls in all the dust, the latent dust that may be in the air, and it sucks it in, and it puts out clean air. And we got the window kind of slightly open in here, so it's kind of pushing air back out the master bathroom here. And so this area is nice and clean. You don't really have to wear a mask in here at the current moment. There's no dust in the air, and if it does, it gets sucked right out of there. So it's one of the ways that we really protect our clients while we're in their space, and also while our guys here. It's just much cleaner air to work with them. Without this, it'd be all dusty back here. Our clients will have dust on everything. And so again, just one of those ways we protect our clients. So let me tell you what we're doing in here. So the master bathroom remodel, what we're doing is right now we're replacing the shower. We're replacing one of those old builder grade type tubs. And so the tub got removed. We're replacing the shower pan in there now. And then what we're doing right now as well, we're replacing our niche boxes that are inset. And we're also installing a vent/can light. It's going to be a whisper tone. And so what that means is that bathroom fan right over the shower is going to have a light in it, but it's also going to be really quiet. So you won't know that it's on, but the entire time it's going to be sucking out a lot of that moisture air right out of the bathroom so that you can enjoy your shower without fogging up the entire bathroom. And what that does actually too is protects your drywall. You don't want moisture in your air inside your bathroom, because it'll start to destroy your drywall. It might not happen in 1 year, might not happen in year 5, but eventually your paint's going to start to droop and the bathroom's going to start to get nasty, the walls will. And so you want to have bathroom fans over your shower in the toilet room as well. And so yeah, let's swing around the corner. All right, so this is the shower area. It actually got expanded just slightly a little bit. The shower was at 30, our shower pan's at 32, so we're gaining a couple more inches there. But also these new shower pans, they don't take up as much space as the old shower pans did. So we're gonna gain a lot more space inside of our shower. It's gonna feel slightly bigger. So we're also gonna put on a shower door. But as far as tile wise, we got 2 large niche boxes in our showers here. This is what the rough end looks like before we tile them. And so what a niche box is it's the boxes that you set you might go to a nice fancy hotel, and they have their shampoo bottles like inside these areas inside the shower that you can put your soap in. You can put shampoo bottles, and eventually what you'll see is these will get tiled over, and you'll never know what this looks like behind the wall. But it's just one of those cool features that you don't think about until after the project is done. And so this is one of those features that we include here on the front end. It makes a big difference on the back end. We're going to do a rain head shower head right over the top. And so the shower head to kind of point down and feel like you're in the rainforest taking a shower. And so we're going to actually do a herringbone pattern on the back here. It's going to be a 2-tone shower. We have a dark blue tile and a white tile. We're going to make the back wall the white tile, and our 2 accent walls are going to be in this darkish blue tile. It's going to look really good. It's going to pop. Can't wait for our clients to see this awesome bathroom they're getting. And so really excited to bring this to fruition. Of course, stay tuned as we're making more progress. Stay tuned, more coming soon.